My name is Nagraj Shet from Kumcha. I am this time issue is so Sharavati River project. This project is so the government is dirty. This project avoiding because it's more loss and it's more loss destroy this every tree is so this western forest, this forest is filter rain filter and more problem other district and other state is this country, this Indian country big problem is so every tree destroy and every plant destroy is more dangerous because this filter place rain filter place in Western Ghat and this country rain filter place Western Ghat is so destroy every tree is so flood and more problem is so other district this state Karnataka state and this country this country state other state this country other state Goa Kerala is so more dangerous dangerous moment and destroy every tree because this filter place rain filter place this Ghat Western Ghat is so thick forest is more this avoiding British government because is so this big issue is destroy every tree destroy thinking this British government is no project this every projects avoiding this place Western Ghat is so more sensitive issue and more important issue thinking every people this country people and this state Karnataka state people and Uttar Kannada district people and Sharavati river project in Uttar Kannada Honavar Taluk is so big river and so beautiful river and more living domestic wild animal is living this thick forest is a beautiful weather and so this project in so destroy every tree is so more problem and other district problem so flood and more problem is so this project avoiding because it's so British government it's every government avoiding because it's so dangerous moment and this filter place real filter place and this place Uttar Kannada and Dakshin Kannada Udupi so Goa Kerala is a coastal belt this tree every tree more important and this filter rain filter place and providing other district rain providing this place important place in Uttar Kannada is so destroy every tree is more loss and more dangerous moment every people thinking this country is so big issue and every people thinking this issue is so destroy is 60,000 tree and plant is so most dangerous moment avoiding is so dirty this Karnataka Congress government is dirty politics because is every government avoiding this project is so project is ruling this time is so avoiding every people thinking this issue and is so avoiding and this country people thinking and this district people thinking and this state people thinking this avoiding is so every people thinking and is so more every supporting this fight so thinking this fight and every supporting this issue as fight avoiding this project and thinking is a state issue and a central issue this country issue and this district issue is because this place Uttar Kannada and the coastal Western Ghat Western thick forest this filter place rain filter place this place Uttar Kannada and Dakshin Kannada in Udupi Kerala and Goa is so coastal belt is every tree is more important because this rain filter place and providing other district rain is so this destroy every tree is so other district flood and more dangerous moment this thinking and so other this thinking is government avoiding this issue this project avoiding is so every people this avoiding fight every people supporting this issue